Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, so the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and then the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings and tap on OK. As you can see, the settings flashed a little bit, kind of. So let's go back to the camera and check. So here we've got the very first evidence that we just successfully reset the camera. We've got this welcome to camera screen. So this is the screen you will see, the information you will see if you will open the camera for the very first time after setting your device, after buying it. So this is the first evidence. You have to agree, and here we've got the camera with no grid lines, which is the second evidence that we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.